Semiconductor discrete devices form the foundational components of electronic circuits, playing an indispensable role in various electronic product lines, often used independently in simpler electronic devices. Discrete devices refer to standalone electronic components, typically composed of one or more electronic devices. These components can function independently or combine with others to fulfill specific circuit functions. Common discrete devices include diodes, transistors, field effect transistors, FETs, capacitors, resistors, and inductors. In electronic circuits, these discrete devices play crucial roles, each exhibiting distinct performance characteristics. In terms of application markets, robust demand is observed in downstream markets such as automotive electronics, industrial electronics, computers, and communication fields. Representing this market segment is Comchip, one of Flyking Technology's franchise lines. Comchip specializes in diode manufacturing, offering a range of products including bridge rectifiers, fast rectifiers, switch diodes, Zener diodes, Schottky diodes, TVS, ESD surge protectors, transistors, and MOSFETs. These products find extensive applications in various electronic industries, including lighting, automotive, industrial computing, TFT-LCD panels, networking, telecommunications, medical, and consumer electronics. Let's take a look at Comchip's product offerings.
Access to global inventory.
ESD industry smallest using WLCSB packaging technology. Comchip introduces a series of ultra-compact 01005 sized packages with a thickness as thin as 0.15 millimeters, suitable for applications like under-display touch panels in smartwatches and SIP modules. Diodes, encompassing Schottky diodes, transient voltage suppression diodes, Schottky diodes, Zener diodes, and more. Packaging options include SOD1 to 3, SOD3 to 3, SOD5 to 3, SOD-23, SMA, SMB, SMC, DFN1006, DFN1608, etc. Transistors offer in general-purpose transistors, small-signal transistors, and digital transistors. Packaged as NPN and PNP types with formats like SOT-23, SOT3 to 3, SOT363, SOT7 to 3, SOT89, SOT2 to 3, 22252, DFN1006, etc. TVS, products with ratings of 4,000, 600, 6,600ths, with specialized TVS like 7,500 introduced. Widely used in new energy vehicles, these TVS devices come in packages such as SOT1 to 3, DO for 1, SMA, SMB, SMC, DO to 1 8 AB, R6, and are extensively applied in automotive electronics, IoT, wearables, networking, sports equipment, home appliances, lighting, industrial computing, medical electronics, and consumer electronics. Thank you for watching. Contact us if you are interested in more product solutions. Please do not forget to like this video and subscribe Flyking YouTube channel. Stay tuned and have a nice day.